Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another monthly beauty box to share with you, and it is from a Glossybox. This box is worth over £50 this month and contains 5 beauty items. Subscription starts from £13.25 and that includes shipping. You'll find links to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers for other websites. Plus I have my own refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. Sometimes that code works, sometimes it doesn't, but I'll have a look on the Glossybox website, and if they've got any other codes or deals if you take out a subscription, then I'll pop it down there as well. This is what it looks like. Sorry if the lighting is a bit weird in here. One of my lights is broken, so hopefully it'll be all right. So as always, you'll get a QR code, and from the 1st of the month onwards is when you'll be able to subscribe and receive this box. You can scan that and that'll give you details about the products in the box. They're all mixed up, but just give you a little sneak peek. Let's start off then with the mask. This is a Glossybox mask and it is worth over £12. It smells like tobacco. Not bad, but, or herbs. The mask doesn't. So we've got, does it say Glossybox on it? I don't know if it does. Oh yeah, it does there, look. It's got a little Glossybox there. So it's a silk, lightly padded sleep mask. Is that? This is a Dr. Pawpaw cleansing balm, and this is the very first time it's featured in a beauty box before. We used to go through a phase of seeing Dr. Pawpaw, the multi-purpose balms, a lot in beauty boxes. The yellow clear one is a really great product, really great for nails, hair, skin, everywhere, but we did see it a lot. And yeah, it's a 3-in-1 cleansing balm. Your gorgeous skin contains papaya seed oil, jojoba oil and olive oil, and this is a deluxe size and it is worth £6.99. No, obviously it's clear. It's a cleansing balm, so 3-in-1. I'm guessing it removes SPF, makeup and excess oil. So there's that. Then we've got Percy and Reed, and this is a volumizing no oil oil. Weightless body and glossy finish. There's 30 mils here. This is deluxe size, I think, and it is worth £16. Our Initiative Ultralight Volumizing Serum provides all the benefits of an oil without the weight. The non-greasy, water-based formula helps to build body and hold the root for fuller looking hair, whilst expert ingredients help to reduce split ends, control static, enhance shine and tame frizz and flyaways. Let's try a little bit on my hair then. It feels like water. It doesn't feel like a normal oil. Okay. Oh, it smells so nice. Percy and Reed have lovely smelling products, and yeah, that does. It smells gorgeous. So it's a no oil oil. I really like the sound of this one because it just feels like water. Can you see my curly hair? Can you see how wavy that is? That's all my new hair. I lost a lot of hair and I'm now on medication and minoxidil. And yeah, so I've got this curly wavy hair growing, was it about 5 inches or so, all over my head. So the top of my head is really frizzy. Yeah, no, I think this is nice. Nice just to run it through and to tame it. What can I do with this one though? Yeah, I like that. Volumizing No Oil Oil by Percy and Reed. Then we've got Dr. Lip. This is a superfood sweet potato tint, 100% natural for lips, cheeks and eyelids. There's 8 mils here. Full size, and it costs £6.99. 100% natural multi-use moisturising colour tint. I've already got a gorgeous lip stain. Oh my gosh. I've fallen in love with this so much that I'm going to do a video. So I was going to do it on Instagram, but I'll pop it over on here as well, a little short. So watch out for me doing that. I know I'm going off on one, I'm really sorry, but I just love it so much. It is Juice Pop Box by Laneige. Oh, I'm obsessed with lip stains. The Laneige one is what I'm wearing now. Don't think so. No, nothing there. So this is more of a balm with a tint. Really nice. Let's try a little bit extra on my lips. It's nice, isn't it? It is nice. It gives a nice shine. Obviously, I've got the lip tint underneath as well. I like that. I've used it many times before, and it's just nice if you want a hint of a tint and some moisture for your lips. And then lastly, we've got a pencil. I think this is an eye pencil. It's an eyeliner in shade Espresso. This is by the brand Gosh. Full size, and it costs £8.90. Where can I do it? There, so you can see it. That's a really nice colour. That is really pigmented. I love a warm, rich brown, and that's nice. Yeah, I like that. So we've got an eyeliner from Gosh. So to recap, we've got an eye mask, got a 3-in-1 cleansing balm, we've got a volumizing no oil for your hair, got a lip tint and a eyeliner pencil. And I just remembered, actually, I'm sure they have got an offer on where new subscribers receive a free beauty box. I'll find out for sure and I'll let you know. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of this one. I think the standout product for me is the volumizing oil for the hair. I think that'd be quite nice to use, especially as my hair's quite fine naturally. These are extensions here, but yeah, my natural hair is really fine, and yeah, it doesn't always do best with certain oils. But I'd love to hear what you think though, whether you like it or not. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.